Hello everyone and welcome back to uGenesys. In today's session, I'll be demonstrating a rapid and essential technique for calculating lot sizes in just 2 seconds. Understanding the importance of this calculation is crucial for maintaining a consistent equity curve in your trading journey. By managing your risk consistently, you set the stage for steady growth in your trading account. And rather than relying on external tools like spreadsheets, I'll guide you through the fastest method directly on your MT5 platform. Let's start by integrating our Market Keys Trade Manager onto our chart. And adjusting the stop loss is pretty straightforward. Let's put this at 20 pips, and also let's set the risk at 5% and hit calculate. And you'll see it swiftly computes the lot size for us, and in this example we have a total of 7.44 lots. And with the lot size determined, you can make well-informed decisions when entering trades. And clicking on buy reveals this graphical representation on the chart, and you can fine-tune and adjust your stop loss, your target, and also your risk to reward ratio. And alongside our execute tab, we have a manage tab for handling trades, a stats tab to monitor your trades, and a secure tab to prevent you from overtrading. And so to get our Market Keys Trade Manager, you can click on the link in the description below. And thanks again for watching our video, and happy trading.